Hello, welcome back. I hope you're having a good day on this beautiful Sunday. We finally got some rain up here. It's pissing down out there. And what does that mean? Baking. Alrighty, pineapple and coconut loaf. Okay, first thing we need to do is grab 125 grams of butter out. We want to chop it up into a bowl. We want to leave it sit there until it goes nice and soft. If you don't do that, when you go to beat it after, it's going to end up everywhere but the bowl. So make sure you do that first. Once our butter is nice and soft, we want to preheat our oven to 160 degrees Celsius. We want to get ourselves out a loaf tin, put some butter on it, some baking paper in it, and set that aside ready to go. I will write the recipe below as always for you guys. So today we're going to have a couple of eggs, we need some vanilla extract, we need some coconut flakes. Now if you don't have coconut flakes, you know what I'm like by now. I just grab whatever I can use. So any coconut is better than no coconut. But if you can get them, grab the flakes. Bicarb soda, baking powder, golden syrup, brown sugar, plain flour, and we need, now this is a 425 gram can of crushed pineapple, and I've never read this before, but it actually says on it drained weight is 260 grams, and we actually need 250 grams drained, so that's awesome. So go out and grab yourselves a 425 gram can of crushed pineapple and drain it. Alrighty, we get out a large bowl. We want to sift 1.5 cups of plain flour. To that we add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of bicarb soda or baking soda, and 1.25 cups of our coconut. Now with a spoon, just mix it in really well and set it aside for a minute. Now we grab our medium bowl with our soft butter in it. We add 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh God, I love this recipe. Now we get our electric beater out and we're gonna beat it up until it's smooth and pale looking. That basically took 1.5 minutes, so once you got it to look like this, beautiful and creamy. We now want to add our eggs one at a time, beat it until you can't see it anymore. Then next one and beat it till you can't see it anymore. Once we've done that, we want to grab our bowl of flour, and now we want to add that mixture to our flour. And to that we want to add 1/4 cup of golden syrup. Oh yeah, we do. And now we want to mix it in really, really well together. Once we've mixed it in really well together and we can't see any flour anywhere, we want to grab our crushed pineapple and put it in there. And now we just want to gently mix it through until we've mixed it all through. Just like that. Just keep doing it. Okay, once we've done that and we can see it's all through pretty evenly, we can now put it in our tin. Oh yeah, baby. God, it smells amazing already. Alright, now we just want to gently push it all down and flatten it. As soon as our oven's hot enough, bang her in there. Oh my God, mate, it smells amazing in here. Exactly 1 hour and 5 minutes later in my electric oven. So the way to tell if it's ready is just get a skewer, stick it in. If it comes out nice and clean, she's ready. Okay, loosen it off the edges, hopefully. Pull her out, stick her on a cooling rack. Now if you don't have a cooling rack, just stick it on the bench. And we're going to leave it there to completely cool down. Now of course I can't wait until it's like completely cooled down. That's a lot on there. Oh my God, mate, it is so nice. You absolutely have to give it a crack. Thank you guys so much for watching. If all goes well, I'll be back really soon. Bye.